Good morning, students. Today we're going to wrap up our density unit, and hopefully yesterday's experiment will help you with this lab. And I'm hoping that you have the materials to do this along with me again today. So let's take a look at the problem and think back on the lab we did yesterday, and let's see if you can figure this one out on your own. How can I make an egg sink, float, and partially float? So remember, we make a hypothesis next, and make that hypothesis before you attempt the lab. Remember, I don't care if you get the hypothesis wrong or right. What I care about is, did you restate the sentence and make an educated guess based on your observations in the past? So you would start out your hypothesis. I can make an egg sink, float, and partially float by, and then you finish it. I'll give you time to do that after you stop the video. But I want to go ahead and talk about the materials so that you can get those gathered up and do those with me in the next video. You're going to need Post-it notes or paper, a writing utensil, fresh water, 3 glasses, preferably clear if you have them, and the same size, salt, measuring spoons, food coloring for fun, it's not required, and 3 fresh eggs, not hard-boiled eggs. When you analyze your results, what I'd like for you to do on the worksheet, I have 3 glasses. What I'd like for you to do is draw the egg and the water, and if you use food coloring, you can color it in. And make sure that you include the particles in the water and the egg to show the differences in density. Think back on the picture, and if you can't remember, I would go back in the video of my graduated cylinder with the rainbow colors and look at the circles that I drew next to it. It shows that the blue liquid had more particles in the same amount of space as the green, and so on. That's what I'm wanting you to do in your picture. Show the particles this time in the egg and the water, and show how densely packed they are in each based on your observations. Then we will make a conclusion. Okay, get your materials ready, pull up the worksheet, and be ready to follow along or do this with me.